nobody tells you to make a good content. But if you have a small subscribers like me, good content is not enough because nobody knows you. The algorithm doesn't know you. So now this is where the YouTube SEO comes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact SEO strategies that I use to get more views and more subscribers in my channel. I'm going to use this my particular video on how I get from 0 to 1000 subscribers within 24 hours, step by step YouTube growth strategies as an example. So let's go there. Now, step one is small channel keyword strategy. Okay. Now, most people will try to rank for a specific keyword, like for example, now how to grow on YouTube. No, don't use this particular keyword because it is too competitive. You can just go straight and make use of a YouTube search bar to search for a particular keyword that people are looking for. Okay, like for example, this is my video here now. 7 things you have to do immediately after every upload. I use a specific keyword there because people are looking for immediate actions. Do you understand? Now, step two is optimization, title and description. Now, let's use this my particular video as an example. Okay. Now, in the title, I didn't just say YouTube growth tips. Do you understand? But I included step by step YouTube growth strategies. Do you understand? Then, in result, during the result, I just included the 0 to 20 subscribers and the method. Then the description, I didn't just stuff keywords, I wrote a natural paragraph. Do you understand? Then that explains the video, but I made sure to include phrases like YouTube growth strategies. You can see it there now. Do you understand? Do you see it there? YouTube growth strategies. Then algorithm hacks. Do you understand? So in the two sentences, this tells YouTube exactly who needs to see this your video. Okay. Step three is the hidden SEO factors. Okay. Here is the truth that nobody tells you. Retention is part of the SEO. If you create a content that will only rank your video in a search bar if people actually watch your video. Okay. Now look at the graph of this particular video. Now it has the average view duration of 26%. Okay, as of when I'm creating this content. So it simply show a signal to the YouTube that, hey YouTube, this small channel creates a content that people love to watch. And by doing this, YouTube will also help to push this content, this particular video to a wider audience that would love to watch this particular video. Do you get it? If you have a good title, a good SEO optimization, but your video is boring, nobody is going to watch. Okay, your SEO has will fail. So for you to have a good video and have a good click, you have to create a good video, then good title, your description, and your proper SEO. Do you get it? You don't need a million subscribers to rank. You need the right keywords and a video that delivered on promise. Okay, I am documenting my entire journey from 21 subscribers to the monetization right here now. If you want to see these strategies, hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Let's grow together. And watch this particular video to see how I handle my thumbnails. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.